In the realm of artificial intelligence, innovation is relentless, and OpenAI continues to lead the charge. Brace yourselves as we unveil a game-changing update. 6 new features that redefine the ChatGPT experience. From crafting conversations with finesse to streamlined productivity, these features are poised to reshape the world of AI interactions. Welcome back to Technologist. The AI landscape never stands still, and today, we're diving into OpenAI's latest announcement, the 6 groundbreaking features for ChatGPT. These innovations promise to elevate your conversations, enhance your experience, and empower you like never before. Join us as we delve into each of these features, exploring how they're revolutionizing the AI conversation space. Let's start with a feature that breathes life into your conversations: prompt examples. These dynamic prompts cover everything from humor to knowledge, giving you a launchpad for rich interactions across various domains. Whether it's a meme, a joke, or a deep dive into a topic, ChatGPT's prompts offer a versatile canvas for engaging dialogues. Next up, we have suggested replies. Imagine an AI that not only responds but also anticipates your next move. These suggestions, influenced by your conversation's context, elevate interactions to new heights. They provide a real-time feedback loop, ensuring your exchanges remain dynamic and engaging. Calling all Plus users. OpenAI has heard your voice and responded with GPT-4 as the default model. Say goodbye to model switches and hello to a seamless experience. Additionally, Plus users now enjoy a generous message allowance, providing even more room to explore and interact. For those diving into data and code, the Enhanced Code Interpreter is a game-changer. Upload files, visualize data, and seek insights, all within your conversation. This feature bridges the gap between AI-driven analysis and human expertise, fostering a new era of collaboration. OpenAI understands the delicate balance between security and convenience. With an enhanced login experience, you get the best of both worlds. Extended login duration meets an informative preview, ensuring you're equipped with knowledge even before you start a conversation. Time to take control with ChatGPT keyboard shortcuts. Navigate the AI landscape effortlessly, performing actions with the touch of a key. These shortcuts are your ally for swift interactions, empowering you to make the most of your ChatGPT experience. As the AI landscape flourishes, ChatGPT stands out with its unique blend of power and user-friendliness. Built on GPT-4, it offers a distinctive edge in the chatbot arena. Its technical prowess, coupled with an intuitive interface, make it the conversation companion of choice. Innovation never stops, and OpenAI's unveiling of these 6 features for ChatGPT marks a turning point in AI conversation. From prompt examples that spark creativity to suggested replies that deepen interactions, these features are a testament to OpenAI's commitment to user-centric AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey of AI innovation. If you found this exploration of ChatGPT's new features enlightening, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Technologist for more insightful AI updates. As we continue to explore the frontiers of technology, stay curious, stay engaged, and keep discovering the boundless possibilities of AI.